Hello teachers and educators, today we'll be showcasing one of our back to school starter pack resources. As the school openings are coming closer and closer, we here at Twinkle understand the anxiety that comes with preparing. Allow Twinkle to be a part of your planning with our CAPS aligned resources. Let's take a look at this grade 1 back to school starter pack. First, we have our Grade 1 Phonics Term 1 Weekly Planner. Then we have our Grade 1 Phonics PowerPoint Presentation. Up next, we have our AT at Sound Poster. Then we have our AT at Coloring Page. Last but not least, we have our Grade 1 Mini Book. For our Grade 1 Back to School Starter Pack, please head over to our website. Click the link in the description box.